In part B here, we're being asked to complete the cumulative frequency table. So notice that the first row is the same, the number of people between 10 and 20 is 8. But the second line here is saying how many people are there between 10 and 30 years. So that's this 8, these people, these 8 people, and these 38 people. Add them together and you get 46. The next line is asking how many are there between 10 and 40. So that's adding up 10 and 20, 20 and 30, 30 and 40. So we're adding up all these three. So we're just going to continue adding up all the way down, and we should expect to get, remember, 80, because the total frequency is 80 members. So if we just continue adding, you'll do 8 plus 38 plus 28, that'll give you 74. 74 plus those 4 will give you 78. 78 plus those 2 would make 80. Job done. Using this, we're then asked to plot, I can't get it all on one page, we're asked to plot the same information on this cumulative frequency graph. Now, these ages obviously give us a range. In terms of how we plot it, we're going to plot at the end of the group. Okay, so we plot at end of group. Because we are saying up to that point, we have that many. So, up to the age of 20, there were 8 people. Up to the age of 30, there were 46 people. Up to the age of 40, there are 74 people. And up to the age of 50, there are 78 people. Up to the age of 60, there are 80 people. We're quite encouraged by this. It's giving us an S shape. The cumulative frequency graph should never go down again. You are always adding things on, so it never goes down. Smooth curve as you can make it. Your line or your curve should go at least within a 1 box width of the cross. I would probably have lost a mark there because I'm not accurate enough. Okay. Part D here, use your graph, the clue is in the question, use your graph to find an estimate for the median age. Show your method clearly. Well, the median age is going to be the middle value when they're all added up, lined up I should say, in order. They're all lined up here. The 0th person up to the 80th person. The median, the middle of that, will be 40. I'm going to cut the axes so that the examiner can see what I'm doing, because otherwise when they scan this bit they might not see. And follow it down, probably with a ruler, and I find that this is 29 people. And this is the median position, all the positions lined up, 0 to 80, and this is the median value on the value axis. So I'll say 29. Now it says use your graph, show your method. If I've done this wrong, or at least, sorry, if I've plotted wrong for whatever reason, but I've come through at 40, I'm still going to get these marks. So please do what it says and use your graph.